Brianna, kamusta araw mo? What did you do at school?
I don't know.
Ano? Oh, what do you mean I don't know?
I play Gracie.
You play with Gracie, tapos ano pa? Nandun ba si Charlie?
No.
Wala si Charlie?
No.
Nandun ba si Theodore?
No.
Wala rin si Theodore. Nandun ba si Darcy?
No.
So si Gracie lang nandun? Ha? Si Gracie lang?
No. I want to sit down.
Wait, is Gracie there?
Yeah.
Is Charlie there?
Yeah.
Is Darcy there?
No.
Is Theodore there?
No.
I'm confused. Nandun ba sila? Wala. IKEA, kasama si Mama. Drinks. Tapos nandito yung mga dessert. Ang weird ng IKEA, no? Nauna yung dessert bago yung main food. Ito yung mga pagkain sa IKEA Adelaide. I think it's the same naman sa lahat na IKEA eh. So, yun, no? Oh. Almond cake. Apple cake. Ito, weird na lasa nito, Mama. Pero lagi ko siyang gustong kainin.
Apple cake?
Oo. Pakuha nga ka isa. Tapos may blueberry and almond tart. Mukha siyang cheesecake pero hindi. Chocolate. And then baked lemon tart. Sweet Swedish bites. Yogurt. Pero hindi naman siya yogurt. Mga wraps. Ano kaya sa tingin mo kapag may IKEA na sa Philippines, kanin kaya yung pagkain? Mama? Salmon fillet, Swedish meatball, roast chicken breast, tas pasta saka veggie balls with coconut curry sauce. Salmon para kay Papa. Ito yung apple cake, lemon tart, cake, garlic bread, orange juice ni Brianna, roast chicken ni Mama, garlic bread na isa pa, and then akin yung meatballs, onion rings, tas kids meat para kay Brianna nandun sa likod. Gutom kami, gutom na gutom. Gutom na naman. Brianna, are you hungry? No? But you have to eat your food.
I will eat that.
If you don't eat your food, you don't have a bed.
I will eat the food so I'll be champion.
Nono will be champion?
Let us see, let us see.
Meatballs 15, oh. Sarap. Crayfish buffet, Papa, oh. Garlic bread. Dami. Sarap. Kain na. So, itutour namin kayo sa IKEA Adelaide. First, sa first floor. And then, yung sa ground floor, kung saan yung mga utensils, all the other stuff.
siya.
So, ngayon, dito na kami sa warehouse ng IKEA, kung saan usually pinipick up yung mga stuff. Papa, nakabili ka na.
Dito mo kukunin yung bubuuhin mo.
Oo nga, kapag nakabili ka na.
Hindi, babayad ka after mong kunin.
Stop it, Nona.
Kukunin mo muna, tapos saka mo babayaran.
Whatever. Grabe, ang dami. And ito yung pagkatapos mo mag-pay, ito yung parang cafe nila, restaurant nila, pero wala na naman kasi close na nga sila.
Look at Nona buying lollies.
So that's IKEA here in Adelaide, and we're on our way home. Good night. Bye.
Good night. And you're covering my